how to identify music playing around you with Shazam on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we swipe down at the top corner to open up the control center. In here, tap on the Add button. Once you are in edit mode, go down and tap on Add a control. Now in here, we scroll down. Then we scroll down some more. And in here, go to the Sounds section and then tap on Recognize Music. And that will add Shazam to the control center. Now swipe up and swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now, whenever you want to quickly identify music playing around you, you can pull down the control center, then tap on the Shazam button or the shortcut. And here, if I play a song, you can see the phone will attempt to identify the song. Now that is not very correct, so we can, if it's identified the wrong song, you can try to replay the song and let it recognize again. So here I'll start at the beginning. And this time it has identified the correct song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And here is another songs it will identify it. So here is the Dancing with Your Ghost. And that's it. Thank you for watching.